Chapter 3, Lesson 6, Estimate Quotients. You will be able to estimate the quotients of decimals and judge the reasonableness of the results. To estimate quotients of decimals, use rounding and compatible numbers. Compatible numbers are numbers that are easy to divide mentally. Estimate the following quotients. Letter A, 11.75 divided by 3. Now, think of multiples of 3, and then figure out what you want to round or estimate 11.75 to be. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So 11.75 is close to 12, and it's divisible by 3. So I'm going to estimate that to be 12. 3 I don't have to estimate at all. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. Letter B, 25 into 98.1. Again, think of multiples of 25. Well, I know 100 is a multiple of 25, so I would estimate 98.1 to be 100, and then 25 into 100 4 times, so my quotient would be 4. 49.3 divided by 7. Think of your multiples of 7, the one that's closest to 49.3. 49 would be closest, and it is a multiple of 7. 49 divided by 7 is 7. Letter D, 61.25 divided by 5. 61.25 is close to 60, which is a multiple of 5, and 60 divided by 5 is 12. 32.4 divided by 3. 32.4 is close to 33, which is a compatible number to 3. It's also a multiple of 3. 33 divided by 3 is 11. Letter F, 40.79 divided by 7. 40.79 is closest to 42, which is a multiple of 7. And 42 divided by 7 is 6. The Jenkins family purchased 6 tickets for a total price of $64.50. Estimate the cost of each ticket. Well, $64.50 is close to the number 66, which is a multiple of 6. So we would do 66 divided by 6, and we would get $11, actually about $11 per ticket. Estimate by rounding the divisors. You can also estimate quotients of decimals by rounding the divisors. Choose compatible numbers that are easy to divide mentally. Estimate the following quotients. So 32 divided by 39. So here you can think of, or 3.9, excuse me. Here think of 3.9 is closest to what factor of 32? Well, 4 is a factor of 32. So I would estimate 3.9 to be 4, and 32 divided by 4 is 8. Letter B, 99 divided by 10.75. 10.75 is closest to the factor 9 of 99. And 99 divided by 9 is 11. 56 divided by 6.8. Think about your factors of 56 that are close to 6.8. And that number would be 7. 56 divided by 7 is 8. Now letter D, we actually can estimate both numbers here. 38.1 into 984.76. This one might be a little bit tricky to think about at first because we don't generally know our multiples of 38 or 984. But let's say I estimated that to be 40. 984.6 is pretty close to 1,000, and I know that 40 will go into 1,000. The number 4 goes into even hundreds. So 40 would go into 1,000. So let's do the division. 40 into 100 would be twice. Minus 80 is 20. Bring down the 0. 40 into 200 is 5 times. Minus 200 is 0. So our quotient is 25. $76.2 divided by 18.4. $76.2 is close to 80, so let's try that. Oops. And 18.4, well, a factor of 80 would be 20, and 80 divided by 20 is 4. Letter F, I could actually, looking at what's in the box, I have 35.7. I could make that 36, and out here I could make 11.412. That's quite possible. I could also have made this 10 and this 30. It doesn't matter. Whatever's closest. 12 and 36 are closer than 10 and 30, so that's why I prefer to use those ones. And 36 divided by 12 is 3. A recipe for a smoothie calls for 0.75 pounds of strawberries. If Carrie has 3.15 pounds of strawberries, how many batches of the recipe can she make? So I would estimate 0.75 to be 1 pound, and I would estimate 3.15 pounds to be 3. So I would say the recipe calls for 1 pound and she has 3 pounds. So I would do 3 divided by 1. And I would say that she can make about 3 batches.